I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: macOS version, available RAM, and an ISO. Once done, install UTM and open Security and Privacy to allow the app if blocked. Next, import or add the ISO image and verify its checksum to prevent errors. Make sure to pick sensible resources. Assign RAM and CPU cores based on your Mac's free capacity. Also create a virtual disk of the desired size. This gets you to the point where the VM configuration screen is ready to customize. You now configure the VM details. Select architecture that matches the OS image, x86-64 for Intel Macs, Arch64 for Apple Silicon. Once selected, set virtual hardware, CPU, RAM, and the disk interface. Then enable networking mode, shared NAT is easiest, and attach the ISO to the CD drive. Configure display resolution and input options so the guest feels responsive. If you need file transfer, add a shared folder. After saving, you're ready to start the VM and begin installation. You boot the VM and proceed through the guest OS installer, following prompts just like on a physical machine. Once installed, install any available guest additions or tools to improve drivers and clipboard sharing. After confirming the system runs, take a snapshot so you can revert if needed. Then fine-tune RAM and CPU if performance needs improvement. If you run into problems, check the ISO integrity. Confirm the chosen architecture matches the image, and make sure you allocated enough RAM. These quick checks solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.